Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set up your footprint chart in NinjaTrader. And if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to know is you need right here a Order Flow Plus account, because you will receive that account once you funded money to your trading account, and then you have this future. Then right now what we're going to do is we go right here to NinjaTrader, the application, and then we select right here new, and then we do chart. Then right now we search here for a chart. So let's go to future and no, let's do, where is it? Let's do this chart, that's fine. And then right now if you go right here to type, normally it's standing on tick. And if you go right here, we go to volumetric. And then we have a lot of options that we can change right now, but in my opinion, it's not necessary. And then right now, if you click here on OK, he's loading the chart right here. And then when the chart got loaded right here, you see that we are having right here a footprint chart in NinjaTrader. So if you want to zoom a little bit, there it is. And if you want to zoom out, we do this. And this is exactly the chart where we was looking for. So keep in mind, you will get this chart when you can live trade. And if I go to connections and do right here live, you will find right here my live trading account with $2 on it. So you need to fund at least $2. And then you have access to this nice footprint chart. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.